Okay, so I already primed my face. It's the Wet n Wild foundation in Nude Ivory because I'm really, really pale right now. And this light is not very great. But we're gonna make it work. It's gonna work. So I usually just go and I have my little mirror right here so I can see, because I have one back here, but this one's better. And ignore these two little fingers. Having a nail crisis right now. But yes, so then we're just gonna blend that. Well, it's really pretty, like, on its own. I'm not the kind of person that likes to wear just foundation without setting it. I do have dry skin, but I mean, I use a really moisturizing primer, like a hydrating primer. So, I mean, I think I'm pretty good. Okay, then we're just gonna conceal and highlight the under eye area with the, what is this? Maybelline, I think this is the Fit Me in Fair, because I'm really pale, so we're gonna do the forehead a little bit. Oops, that's not very straight. Down the bridge of the nose, around the nose, because I have redness right there. Yeah, once you look like you're wearing a Halloween costume, like some more paint or face paint, you're gonna just blend it in. So and once we're all done blending that out, I get my big fluffy brush, I get my Coty Airspun, let's get that patted, and then I just go in and set my face. Everything is set. Yep. Next, I like to bronze and contour. I'll get my Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette in Dulce de Leche. Then I usually get a little bit, then I go forehead, cheekbones, jaw. Usually get a little bit, go down the nose, a little bit down the nose. After that, I get one of my Luxie brushes. It's the Luxie Precision Foundation Brush, 660. I use the lighter shade, and I go under my eyes with it just to brighten the eye area a little bit. It's like banana powder, so I usually get that to brighten my under eye, chin, and then down the middle of the nose to brighten it, forehead, wherever we need brightening. This one is a BH Cosmetics brush. I Tarteist Pro Glow To Go palette. And so I just take chisel right here and I chisel my cheekbones. So I start from the ear and then I go up a little bit, just a little bit, and then down, but I don't drag it all the way out. A little down the nose, doesn't hurt. Next, I like to go in with blush. I'll use my Luxie blush brush. It's the 514. I'm gonna go in with Party from Tarte. So then I start this way going down. So up here, towards the apple of my cheeks, and then I would just go back and forth. Then I take highlighting brush. So then I'm gonna use my highlighter palette from Live Beauty. And I'm gonna take the pale shade right here. it's time for eyes. Today, the It Cosmetics Naturally Pretty Romantics palette. Start with this e.l.f. blending brush. Go in with Adore right here. Then I'm gonna go into the crease with it and blow it out. We're gonna take Desire. It's the pink shade. We're just gonna put that in the crease. We're gonna go over here. So you want it very nice and blown out. Like a flat brush. And I get a plain white shadow. Like the chocolate bar, it's just a plain white shadow right here. I don't have the names for it anymore, but it's just a plain white shadow. And so I go all over my lid with that. We do our under eye. Go back in with Desire for the under eye, right here, Desire. We're gonna go in with Fate. So that's it for eyeshadow. So first mascara I'll go in with is the Rimmel Lash Accelerator Endless with Grow Lash Complex and Fibers mascara. Okay. After this one, I use this one for my bottom lashes. It's the Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect. And then for my top lashes, just see it like more volume and thickness, I'll go in with the CoverGirl Total Tease. Now it's gonna be brows. We're almost done. I'll take the Ulta one. And then I get out my e.l.f. Brow Pomade. Brush the brows. Okay, and so then I usually start right here towards the front by like kind of like underlining my brow. Fill it in because I do have a sparse area right there. Just gonna brush them out a bit or a lot. After this, we put on brow gel. So we're just gonna brush them up. Bam. Oh, by the way, this is the something brow Shape and Define CoverGirl in the shade Rich Brown. Brows, and then I do like to go back in with that brush we used by e.l.f. and then we'll go back in with that white shade again and we'll just put that on a brow bone. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. And then I'm just going to take that same highlighter that I used earlier as my inner corner highlight as well. Ooh. Ooh, lips. Lips is all we have left. A lot of times I just wipe off my foundation and put on lip gloss or something. Today we're gonna do some lips. So I think today I want to do Rebel Rose, the Wet n Wild Rebel Rose. There we go. Take the hair down. Okay.